Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella.
Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Okay, y'all, now in today's video, I'm about to give y'all a wig review / tutorial for BeautyForeverHair.com wig. And the wig that we'll be trying today is a V-part wig. Now, this is my second time trying a V-part wig, and I decided to get it in a more natural type of look. I got it in 14 inches. It is 150% density, and the hair right now is priced at $132 as of this moment on the website. So y'all gonna see how the wig is looking, and then you can go ahead and purchase your very own wig. So I'm gonna leave the details, like the full details and the direct link for the wig for you guys down below. So I'll show you guys what it looks like straight out of the package and all that good stuff. So what I really like about V-part wigs is that it's flat, like the weft and the parting of the wig is flat. So it's supposed to give a more natural look more than anything else. Like, it is giving. So if you want to do a leave out with it, you can. If you want to wear it without leave out, you can. Like, you can do just about anything. The last V-part wig that I did a review on, I even did a half up, half down. So it is one of the most versatile wigs that you could get. Okay, now first things first, installing this wig. Now I got some doo-doo braids in, you know how we do, like nothing is perfect. All you want to do is make sure that your hair is flat. It could be in braids, well, not like actual extension braids, like doo-doo braids, cornrows, twists, flat twists, anything, as long as your hair is flat, because you don't want it to look poofy and puffy and just look like it's a lot going on under there. Okay, so I've had these braids in for a minute. As you guys can see, they look real old, but that's the beauty of it. I don't have to pull out my old braids. All I did was spray some As I Am Jamaican black castor oil water onto my hair, put some oil in there, a leave-in conditioner on top of it, pat it down, and then tie it down. I ain't finna touch my hair for a minute. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little bit of edge swoop to the doop situation in the front. So I'm just going to separate that part. Now for this style, I think I'm going to do a side part as opposed to a center part, because the last time I did a center part, I want to see how the hair looks as a side part. We got the clips on the inside. I'm going to open the clips right now. I don't want it to pull on my hair. I like to wear what do you call that? I like to wear my wig caps with my wigs because I don't want it to be tugging on my hair. I hate tension. It doesn't matter if I'm wearing a protective style, if it's braids, cornrows, all of that. A wig, I don't like anything tugging on my hair. Hate it. So I'm gonna just rest the wig on my head like so. Make sure the side is all the way down. I think I'm gonna put it on this braid right here. I'm gonna put it between these two. I want to make sure the part is actually clean before I actually do this. I want to make sure that it's separated. I want a nice clean part. Okay, I think that's good. And once that's attached, I'm just going to pull down the back, make sure that it is fitted and snug. Everything is in place. Yeah, so once that's done, it's time to style. Gotta make sure that the front is attached properly. You don't want when the wind blows, you be seeing all them cornrows. Okay, y'all, so right now it's giving very much you know, beauty supply store look wig. So we gotta make it look like a luxurious type of wig that it is, you feel me? So the most important part is the styling. Okay, getting the wig together. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of trim, because I think I wanted the hair shorter. I'm going to put water in it and all that good stuff. You feel me? And then another thing, since we won't be doing any leave outs, you got to make sure that you hide the hair right here. So I'm going to tease the part. Feeling hella crazy right now, aren't we? That's okay though. It's gonna all come together. Okay, so I don't know where my scissors went, so I'm gonna use this eyebrow razor and just shape up the hair. And to be honest, the razor is gonna give you a less blunt cut than the scissors, so it might not be a bad idea to just use a razor. So okay y'all, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of water just to get the curls to be more defined and uniform. Now to do my edges, I'm going to be using the Got2b glued gel in the yellow tube. I've been using this for the past couple months and I am liking it more than my other edge control, so this is what I am going to be using. And we got a fresh edge brush. Sure it's fluffy and full and giving life. Y'all, it is giving Whitney Houston up in this. It is giving rich bougie auntie. Like, y'all can't even front. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know what you think about this unit. I am loving this. Like, I was a little bit nervous about how it was going to turn out, but this turned out way better than I expected. All it needed was some shaping up, some fluffing up, some movement, some just playing around with the hair. Okay, that is all this hair needs. Let me know what you guys think about the unit. All the details will be in the description box down below. I got this in 14 inches, but honestly you could get it in 12 if you want, or you could keep it in 14 inches and then shape it to the length that you want. Maybe if you want it more shoulder length as opposed to right under the neck, and it just all depends. I got it in 150% density, and that's about it. All you gotta do is put a little bit of mousse in it, a little bit of water, touch up your edges. If you want to do a leave out, you could do a center part, you could do a half up style. Like, you could do just about anything with a V-part wig because it's just that versatile. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at damnthatschev if you haven't already. That's where I post all my pictures of different hairstyles that I do. If you want to ask me questions there, like, just follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damnthatschev. It's one handle. And that is all that I have for y'all today. GWAN, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.
Heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, Constella. Let me